Alright, hello everyone. So in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to install Mendeley. Mendeley is very helpful for you if you are writing paper, journal, thesis, something that you would need to cite something and try to manage it in the one place, and also whenever you want to appear it on your documents, it will just that easy. Okay, so the very first thing you need to do is, of course, you need to download it from the official website. Okay, so let's go. Just type mendeley.com on your favorite website, favorite browser. You'll be prompted to this website. Okay, just click on that download menu. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, there are 4 different kinds of Mendeley. This one is that we are revert into it is the Mendeley Reference Manager First Desktop. This is pretty new, as I know. The previous one is the Mendeley Desktop. This is what we are going to use in this tutorial. Why I prefer this one? Because it's really simple, and for me as the beginner, this is not so confusing. Although the the reference manager is pretty seamless, but somehow I don't really know how the process in behind. And also there is also this one Mendeley site. This is also seamlessly, it will be appear on that sidebar of the right side on your Microsoft Word. And yeah, one thing that you would also need to do is you would need to register. Okay, but we're gonna do it later. And also another thing that is quite handy is Mendeley Web Importer. It is like just like when you are downloading the Chrome. When you are using Chrome, um, there is this extension, or maybe if you are using another browser like Microsoft Edge or Firefox, it could be different term. But the point is there, okay? Web importer. So whenever you want to cite something out of the website, just type the URL and that's that. That easy, okay? This is really easy. But yeah, I want to manage all of it, so it's gonna be really more beneficial for me to manage all of the citation or reference that exists in my repository. So download now. Okay, there you go. Just click on this button. Okay, then after you got the .exe or executable file, just double click on that, and also you will be prompted about the whether you want to continue or no. This is just like a permission. Just click yes on this. Right after you'll be prompted about whether you want to continue or not, just click yes. I'm sorry, in this video I think it will be blank, so you won't see unless you do it yourself. And also you'll be asked about some permission, just like a normal installation. You'll be like over to read the term and condition. I won't bother to read that all, it's too tedious. And what else? Maybe like where you want to save the location of the installation, just let it be. In my case, I don't really need to move it, just leave it default. And yeah, then finish. Right after you run, and you'll see something like this. Okay, so the very first thing, if you haven't registered, do it right now. Register. You're not gonna be able to use it unless you are signed in first. Okay, all right, so right after you sign in, maybe you will be prompted about the welcome Mendeley. Maybe like you'll be asked on whether you want to install on Microsoft Word or maybe the Mendeley reference, and it says not installed if you haven't. But if you are not prompted that one, it's fine. We will need to install it on Microsoft Word since most of us will be writing on this platform. So here, just click Tools and install MS Word plugin here and click OK. Make sure that also it's closed. I mean, if you have Microsoft Word open, then you would need to close that. Okay, if it already said that it's an uninstalled Microsoft Word plugin, so normally it's already done. Okay, so to check on that, maybe we need to open this. Right, just as an example, let's see with a blank page and go to the references. Okay, so here it's already installed because this is already, there is this Mendeley logo and the insert citation, and also there's this open Mendeley button. And then let's say I want to type something. Okay, right after this, just click, let's say you cited something, and just click on that. There's this box, and see, just type the author or title or year, whatever in our library, the Mendeley library. Let's say this one, because I just input one thing and just click on that. Click OK. Okay, then see, it's that easy. Okay, so okay, maybe we need to also take a look at this one, because if you are, I'm still beginning, by the way. I was pretty confused at my very first time seeing this one, but I just got my hand dirty and I tried one by one. Let's say I want to install web importer, so whenever I search the reference on my web browser, it's gonna be handy if I just copy it and paste it to the web importer. So the journal or the paper will be displayed or saved in this Mendeley. Okay. Okay, let's say we want to add something. We can also just add this. Let's say I want to use this. All right, maybe I want to use another. Let's say this one. Okay, just loading, and see, there is this already author, title, year, and so on. We can also click that and also see the journal or the paper. So it's also, it's like, what is it, like PDF or like a paper reader, I would say. So it's really handy. We can just do this one, zoom out to coloring. Even we want to highlight something, that's easy, right? Okay, so another thing that is quite important is we need to do the bibliography. So let's say we want to do this one. Let's just make title first and insert bibliography. See, so it's already here with the format that we choose. So the style here. Let's say I want more style. Just type something that maybe comes to your mind. So let's say, as an example, I want to type my alma mater. Oh, so this is the installed one. So get more style. Just type something. So this is my university. Just install this, because somehow not all of the format are the same. So the most famous one is APA from America, and even in America there are lots of style. Okay, here just choose the what is it, like the style that you already have. Okay, use this style. Done. Okay, so okay, I think I need to do something about it. It says selected. Done. Okay, so it's already chosen. Okay, so it's gonna be, let's say, if we, what is it, like redo the process inside the bibliography. Okay, so it's already following the format. Okay, that's it. That's the beneficial of the Mendeley. It's really handy. It will be beneficial for you if you are writing paper or something. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. I know this is really easy. I'm still trying to also get my hand dirty in this thing. It's pretty new for me. I'm always happy to learn something new. Well, that's it for now. Hopefully this is gonna be what is something that is helping you in the process. Okay, if so, I would be really glad. Thank you. Bye bye.